Hello dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to solve an expected error is keeping you from copying the file. If you continue to receive the error, you can use the error code to search error 800700AA. Request source is in use. When you are trying to transfer a file from your mobile phone to your computer. So you can see here I have connected my mobile phone to my computer via USB. I'm trying to copy this file. I have a new job here and I'm trying to copy it, but it is not possible. So even if I try to open it, you can see I'm getting the same error. So this is very simple, guys. You just need to go to your mobile phone, go to Google Chrome, download Dukto. Search for Dukto, and you can see here this option. So you can pick any of these options. So I will pick this up to down and then download it. So me, I've already downloaded this. I can only get the latest version, so there is no need. Then download. So I will not download again. I've already downloaded Dukto and I've already installed it in my computer. So I need to go to install it. So I need to go to File Manager. I need to go to Downloads. I will download, then Dukto, install. It is installing. Then I will open. Okay, open. I already have this app, right? So yeah, here's my Dukto. You can see it. So I will also go to my computer. I will go to Windows, down, search Dukto for Windows. So I want to show you. I will go to my Windows computer, search for, as you can see, Dukto for Windows. Okay, so I think I can disconnect my USB. So and then I will just enter searching. Then I will just pick the first option, and then I will download it. Download. Free download. So it's loading. So download has started. So I will download with my IDM downloader. So start download. I will open. Or I can just go to yes. Okay. Next. Accept. And then thank you for downloading Dukto. I will run it. Next, next, install, finish, and refresh. I don't think I have to restart my computer, so I can just go here, search for Dukto. So I will run as administrator. Yes. Sorry for that. So I will search for Dukto here, then I run as administrator, then I accept. Okay. So the next thing, I need to make sure that my phone is connected through Wi-Fi. I have exported my phone to my laptop. It has to be exported even if you don't have any bundles. Just hotspot. Then I will go to my phone. I will open my Dukto. So I will just click here. I will send some files. Then I will go to here. I will go to downloads. Next, send some files. Search. Do I go to downloads? Then I will look for my file. I saved it as new job, so I will go up to N because it's arranged alphabetically. Up to N. IJ MNOP QRST IJKL MN. So new job. I'm looking for this one. Then I will send it. So it's being sent to my computer. If you can see here in my computer, it's also being sent. Okay. It's a big file. It will take some time because Dukto is almost as fast as USB, but you can see it's very fast if you can see the way it's transferring. But at least this will solve the problem rather than going to watch so many videos which will not after all solve your problem. It will create more problems. It's better to have Dukto, to have an alternative to USB for file transfer to your computer. So let me transfer, and then I will open. It will go to my desktop. Every file from Dukto, it's always copied or saved in the desktop, so it will be easier to find it. Then as simple as that, you will have a file. So we have to wait so that I can show you I have been able to solve this problem. So even if I go here, I uncheck my bundles, it's still going to transfer. It does not depend. It's not using my data, so you just need to have the Bluetooth connected. So you can see my Bluetooth is on. My Not my Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi hotspot. If I can show you, and every time you get out of Dukto, it will pause to send. So you see my hotspot is on and I'm connected. So I have to receive the transfer. And every time your phone turns off, it will pause to send. So that's the only thing you have to make sure. You can even transfer a series, you know, a series of very many GBs, but you still have to be a bit patient because although it is faster, it's a bit slower compared to USB, but it will get you the job done. So my hotspot just turned off. That's why the error is coming. If you can see, it is reconnecting. I don't know if it will continue the transfer. So I have to resend because my phone just so I have to resend. Okay, I'll go to documents up to N. Yeah, N new job. It was also in documents, right? So these are the other challenge. Every time the hotspot turns off, it will solve the transfer. So new job has been sent. And in fact, I don't know what I was sending was the file I was sending is too big. So this one is a new job. I can now open it. So you can see I have been able to open my new job. Okay, now I can start working. I don't know what I was sending. It is so big because this is just a PDF. Maybe I was sending the wrong file. Sorry for that. Okay, so I've been able to transfer this file into my computer. Now I can start working. So that's how we solve the problem, guys. I will see you in another video. If you like this video, do consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and you can also recommend me to friends. Thank you.